Alright, so from Home Depot, we got these boards right here. Echo boards, 16 by 48 by 96. We got two of them. We need some spacers to get to the joist and connect them. This is gonna be our base, because it's maybe too thin, but we're gonna show you what we can do. It's trying to keep the budget cheap. This is all, right now, we're gonna include everything. The Echo board that we bought, the lights, and the 2x4s, and this extra little piece. So far, we're looking at about 30 to 35 bucks. Next step is painting these Echo boards. Go spray paint them. A can of spray paint is $1 from Walmart. Say 10 of them. Now we're at 45 bucks. Bang. The number can be right here, 45. We're at 45 bucks for the Starlight Galaxy. We're gonna try to stay under $100 for this. Pretty much got everything we need anyways to finish this, so it's looking about 45, if not under 50 bucks.
Working
in progress.
Hey, brand new Gucci glasses, I can't see none of these bitches. Yo, bitches are
2 coats in, and this is where we're at. So now that I got these all laid out, I'm gonna put them all down, start stapling them up.
poke like a cactus. Ay, all y'all niggas toting, all y'all niggas capping. Ay, the rapping made $250,000 tag. Weed up in my attic, round my plug cause he was taxing real. Be my nigga quad, he just touched down, he brought the pack. Brand new, 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 brand new truck got tinted.
We got our lights all laid out on our ceiling boards. Going to hot glue them all down. After that would be putting fabric over top. Then finally putting the bitch on the ceiling.
Peep, I ice my necklace. Why your neck just look neglected? Came out like a medic. Now my pocket looking pregnant. Your girl pretty ugly, but my baby pretty petty.
I'm confused, right? On the tippy. Yeah, no, because I'm trying to hold up my leg and my back hurts so bad right now. I just can't.
I don't even know the best angle for these niggas. Yo, I don't even know. Don't even ask what's going on right now. This is the most absolute bullshit. I'm fucking sweating, nigga. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put you niggas right here. Hopefully y'all see what we doing. Oh, watch out. I only got 4 fingers on this.
I can't, and I'm not tall enough.
Alright, so nobody.
Hold up. I'm getting in the middle.
Jada, you focus on your other side.
Alright,
turn the fuck around. Nobody got this side, too. He's looking at it.
He's looking at it.
He's staring at his side. Look at this nigga's focused. Alright, you got
He's too far to fuck up.
spread your arms, nobody. Yeah. Have you not done anything?
I just can't breathe.
How the fucking chair again? How the fuck do you even make the chair flip over?
Many days and many reasons. A nigga soul is blessed. I ain't sell it, I'ma keep it. Ay, no cap is being honest. Told you I'm the stove top, baby, I'm the hottest. I'm off a shroom cap, float in my apartment. If you do me dirty, I'ma send him to the barber. Kill the pussy model, bitch, I get it and go harder. So sick, I need a doctor.
I know, yeah.
Do you niggas see this shit? Look at the background on me, bro. Look at the camera. Go in the camera. Please, nobody. Look in the camera. Go into the camera. Just stand right there. Looking at the background for you.
Gang, nigga. Nigga.
That shit's hard. Told y'all niggas, thought y'all was celibate. I just made some racks, then I celebrate.